For the base coat, I am first applying off cream from the pastel collection. Next, we are applying pale pink to the top portion. So off cream goes to the bottom portion and pale pink goes to the top portion. Pale pink is also from the pastel collection. Let's blend both the shades together. Let's repeat this step for all the petals. So first goes off cream, then pale pink, and then we'll blend it together. And the thing while working with acrylics is acrylics dries very fast. So we have to be quick and we have to do each petal one by one so that it does not dry out, and once it's dry out, the blending part will become difficult for us. So that's the reason we are doing it one by one. Here you can use 3 different brushes, one for off cream, one for pale pink, and one for blending. For the outer part of the petals, we are using only pale pink. Similar step goes for the budding lotus. For the bud, we'll do it separately. For now, we can give the same colors for the half open lotus. For the bud, we are using only pale pink. For the highlighting, we are using deep brill purple. So initially, we are applying the paint to the outer edges and then we are blending it in. This goes for both the inner side and outer side of the petal. Highlighting is a process that requires a lot of patience, effort and time. Currently what we are doing here is only the first step of highlighting, and we'll have to layer it up so that eventually we get to the end result that we have in mind. Let's repeat this step for all the petals. The base coat and highlights of the first lotus is completed here. We'll watch the rest of the painting in our next video.